bad guys have run out of cool places to attack, so they just pick a giant concrete slab out in the middle of nowhere? Well, looks like he's not here. I guess the trivia princess loses again.
No, he's here. He has to be here.
Thanks for playing our show. We have some lovely parting gifts for you.
Look out! There's something in the water! You Tennysons will never learn. Your alien forms, they have hindered me before. But with the technology of this battle bot, I will smite you! Let's get to the action!
Well, there's one more bad guy who's all washed up. Get it, Grandpa? He's all washed up?
We should have gotten more information from him. There's something much bigger behind this.
Hey, look! Isn't that another piece of the...
Omnitrix? Why, yes it is.
Whoa, let's see who I got now.
Oh, great! The Rolling Wonder? Try not to trip into too many enemies.
All right, we got a mystery to solve. Let's bounce. Oh, no. Look out!
Grandpa, get the door!
I can't find cheese! Run faster!